It's your boy Ghost in the 57 back with another video. And with this video, we finally got a replacement for my fucked up buffer tube. Mind you, I had this AR bot for a year and a half now. Finally just got a buffer tube. I just got a new buffer tube in the mail. It was like 30 something. But it's the buffer tube and a pistol brace. Cause I got my AR now, I'm gonna put my old brace on there. So y'all finna watch me do this. Mind you, it's like 10 o'clock at night. Where's my AR now? My AR9 is in my gun bag. My AR in here. I keep both of my ARs in there. So let's rock out. Oh, let me get everything out. So I'm gonna pick y'all up once that. So y'all, like I was saying, I just had to change my batteries in my camera. But basically, I got my AR. My AR now, I'm gonna take this pistol brace off and put it on here. And take all this and put it on here. So let me grab the shell real quick. The bullet just fell. But I'm just gonna take this off. So y'all, I got the old buffer tube off. So we'll put this one on. I can't let everything in the spring. We got a new spring, new buffer. A new what you call it thing. I need to switch that one anyway. The brace and the new buffer. Now the reason I needed a new buffer so it could hold that pin down. This one, it don't got it on here at all. Like I had to shave this down so I could put this one on. Like look, this one flat, this one not. So to put this one in. Put this one in. Grab this. Put this on there. Oh, and they gave me a capsule now. I'm tripping.
No, real shit. No. And then when the nigga do it, that's some punk shit.
Okay. Put the capsule nut on real quick. So put this on now. I'm fixing my gun.
OJ talking about OJ think we just about to take niggas mouth, so they gonna take his mouth. Come on, OJ, you gotta stop quick.
So y'all, basically what y'all want to do, you gotta get this bit to the point that it's all the way down. Insert that little pin, and then I got my pin in. Now I'm just gonna push this down. You twist your castle nut down. Once you get your castle nut down, you just tighten that motherfucker. Tighten that motherfucker. What I like to do, I like to take an Allen key or something. Cause y'all know I don't got the proper tools. Take an Allen key. This the brace right here. Take the Allen key they give you. Make sure it's on there tight. Now it's on there. So I like to put the buffer. So the way I put my buffer on and make sure it's right, the one that got the most springs, I put it like the most curled up part. I put that part towards this, and then I insert it in there. And that's how I put mine in. Stick it in there. It should go right in. Like, yeah, my shit in there. So, gotta push it back out. Gotta push this back out. Like that. You know you gotta let niggas cap out sometimes. So y'all, I just put the brace on. Basically 2 screws tightening it. Yeah, I like it. Nah, all I gotta do is take this little slide off here and push this down to my liking. Push it down and that's it. So y'all, this is what the AR9 look like with the brace. That bit decent. I think I might order another one of these. I like this brace better. Look at it. They don't got that little big ass hole in the back. But this shit done.